today. Yay! It is 12. Oh, it's 12:20 now. It's my birthday today, my 23rd birthday. My mom created, I could not film it, but my mom got us a cake and like she even prepared beverages with it. So that was so much fun. And today I actually, today is 4th, like now it's 5th. So yesterday on 4th, I went out with my friends, celebrated. Here's a whole bag of gifts filled with fun stuff. And then I wanted to get my brother something because I was like, oh shit, there's one more person that I share the birthday with. Here is a birthday boy. He's 19 today. I got him these House of Candy.
I don't know where I left your card.
You should know that, right? So I got him these House of candies. I'll tell you which ones we got. Okay. First we got these raspberry blueberries. So this has white jelly inside and the other one has chocolate jelly inside. What did this taste like?
Basic chocolate.
It's good though, okay? I know he does not like chewy stuff, but this was something that just looked really good, so I wanted to buy it. Other than that, I know he likes gems.
For yourself.
Other than that, I know he likes gems. So I got him these Easter eggs.
These bootleg.
They're what?
Good side,
and lots of gems. And then, of course, these are not gems. They call it different thing, but it's gems. You know it's gems. Even M&Ms are coming in India, but you know they're gems. Gems came first. And then I got him these football-looking things, which actually have a cover on them, and he was eating it normal.
With the plastic cover. And then she told me that you have to take out the cover.
Oops, I guess. And the card says, what does it say? You're a weirdo. You're such a weirdo. But then what does the inside say? It says, but you're my weirdo, from the best sister in the world to my princess. My princess, that's my nickname for him. Why is it? Please tell the world why I call you my princess.
I have no idea and you should probably stop calling me that.
Because you've got such high standards about everything in life. It's like, oh my, would you look at his life? He has like a TV that he's operating his computer on, all these things. That's why I call you a princess. Nobody has these things. Yeah, literally that.
What do you mean?
God, I even got him this balloon. I thought he would say that, oh, you got that balloon for yourself
and then you
gifted it to me. No, I got it specially for him and I've been telling my mom that the minute I came in. So yeah. Anyways, it's nice. Mom, how do you feel? Your children are one more year older. How do you feel? One is 23, one is 19. What do you think about that? Nothing? You're okay about that? Nothing at all?
This is good.
It's good? She's so shy suddenly, you know. She's like, this is good. And you see her on her channel being like, you need to do this. Anyways, also guys, today's Kishore Kumar's birthday apparently. Great. Anyway, I'm just gonna clean up the mess. Tana Mojo's vlog must be up by now. I was also updating information about our videos that are gonna go live. So we've got a mukbang coming soon and lots of fun videos, fun interactive videos. So make sure you subscribe to the My Indian Life channel. And why do we share birthdays? Still we're not twins. What do you have to say about that? Why is that? Why do we share birthdays? Let me explain. So he's 4 years younger to me, but somehow 4 years after, he was supposed to be born somewhere in August. So my parents were like, can he be born in like around on 5th August? The doctors were like, yeah, you can do that. So bam, this thing came out.
So basically I'm not updated fully.
What? No, that's that. By the way, this song Pur, do you like it? I've not even heard it properly, do you know? And he's apparently obsessed. He's probably just there for Diplo. I forgot who it is. Anyways, that's the birthday update. Hey guys, so it's our birthday today. Yesterday was a pre-birthday bash. Today is the actual day of our birthday, 5th August. So we are Hindu and we believe in certain things. So daan is something which is like you have to give something away. So we were giving away rice of our weight and flour of our weight. And in Indian culture, flour is very important because you make rotis out of it, which is like the basic thing that you eat in every meal, right? So we gave rice and flour of our weight, and my mom bought it very kindly yesterday. So mom, how much was that flour? So flour and rice in our weight, how much was it? How much was it? 2,000 you said? Something like that?
5,000 lump sum.
Only worth like 2,500 each.
Yeah, but like think of how much food people can get by. She said that by one of that packet of flour, we also gave it to some women. She said that someone could get by for a month, Mom, you said?
Like a single person, individual.
For one person, because like if they eat less or if it's just one person, you can get by. And it's like amazing and it feels so nice. How does it feel, brother? How does it feel?
I enjoyed doing that.
Right? It's so much fun and they're
At
gonna have
first,
fun.
it was very awkward.
Because you're like, do you want flour?
Because in today's world, no one gives stuff like this, right? So
And even they
everyone's
were
a bit skeptical, like,
why are you giving this?
Like, why? But then they started pouring it.
So, doing a good deed on your birthday, that would mean me 23 good deeds done so far in life. I'm not saying we did it, but if you do it, that's nice. Like when I was little, we used to do this a lot. But anyways, right now we're going to find Venice in Delhi. What that could be, you'll see in the next clip. Hey guys, so we are in the Venice Mall right now. Since the morning, it's night time now, okay? It's like 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, that's a gondola ride. That's quite cute. Look at this. Oh my god, how cute is that? Wow! In the morning, we went to our cousin sister's house. She has twins and there was some function going on, so we went there. We hung out with the family, which was fun actually. We've not been there for a long time, so it was fun to celebrate the birthday with family. Now we're here in the Venice Mall because every birthday we do something different. So this year it was this gondola ride. It took us what feels like forever to get here. We have seen so much of Ghaziabad at this point, like we think we had the entire tour. So yeah. This is the gondola ride. Apparently, San Polo Canal. Let's look it up. This is what I wore today, by the way. That's my backpack. Yep. Here's the face of the day, mascara, and the Kylie lip kit. So we're gonna go on the gondola right now, and it turns out it's for 385 rupees for 10 minutes for one person. So yeah, it's pretty expensive for the amount of time they're giving, but I hope it's gonna be worth it. The place looks great, guys. The architecture of the place is great. They've done a really good job at replicating Venice architecture, but it's just that there are not a lot of brands and everything, so not a lot of choices, but it's okay. We're just quickly gonna do the gondola ride because now we're here. Yeah, she's seen the actual Venice. Yeah. And then we're quickly gonna go to the Mall of India to grab something to eat or just, I don't know, get a better, yeah, whatever. Anyway, let's go. Working, but I hope you got some look at it. It was wonderful. It was so cool, guys. The person that was with us had such a nice voice when he started to sing, and he just made it really fun, and it was a great experience. It was for 10 minutes, but you can't really do it for more than that. So I think it was fun. If you come during the daytime, actually, it will be cheaper for you. So you can do that, and it was a fun experience. We're going to the Mall of India now, but it was a great time. I would definitely recommend however far this mall is. You should definitely come around and experience. Guys, so we have ended up at Wendy's in the Mall of India, Noida, and the shopping, some Kiko, some Forever 21, and this big packet from H&M. It's fine. And we even got a voucher because of this, because it was that much amount. So
2,500.
He's busted. But it was so much fun. We shopped so much within like an hour or something. I can't tell you guys. And I've not been able to shop for a while now. But today I was just like, this, I'll take that too. So guys, here's the food. This is the sub. The picture, it looks so much bigger in the picture. However, this is what arrives. Obviously, this is not going to be filling enough. Here's the railway cutlet wrap. And I think that's aloo patty burger. Egg and cheese, yeah, that's the aloo burger with the fries. Here's the egg and cheese. That looks good. I need to taste it. I need to taste it. And we've got strawberry milkshake each. So this is gonna be good. I mean, oh my god. I remember these fries. These are so good. We're gonna dive in. Bye-bye, brands galore. I love you. This is like my biggest, not biggest, like my most favorite. That's better. This is my most favorite mall now in Delhi. It's not even in Delhi, but I love Mall of India. That's like the place to be. It has everything and more, and it's just the best. It even has Ski India. I made a vlog about it. We'll link it below. I love it. So yeah. Anyways, this was our day today. I have a huge haul. At first I thought I'll show you in the vlog only what I got for my birthday yesterday, but then I shopped so much today that I have to make a full blown haul of it. So I will be making a huge birthday haul. That's Virat Kohli, a very poorly made Virat Kohli. Yeah.
Bargain version.
Yeah. So I'll be making a birthday haul. So if it's up, I'll link it below. If not, make sure to check out Super Makeup Attitude 1. Yeah, it was my day today. Thank you so much for all the wishes. You all like just bombarded my social media with wishes. I did not expect so many of you, and I did not even announce it like, oh, it's my birthday and all that. I don't know how some of you got to know, but it's great. Thank you so much. I just posted on Instagram stories because I was bored waiting for my friend, and I just posted that, oh, birthday vibes. That's all. And so many of you saw it. It blows my mind all the time that so many people actually acknowledge it and watch it. So yeah, thank you, and I will see you guys in another vlog maybe. I was just vlogging till my birthday, but if something cool happens, I'll make sure to vlog it, put it up. Thank you for watching these vlogs. More videos will be coming soon. Bye bye.